One is the integrating type of ADCs. In that we have having two types: charge balancing ADC, dual slope ADC. First of all, dual slope ADC. This is the circuit diagram of dual slope ADC. In that, the op amp A1 act as a like voltage follower V0, that is V0 is equal to VA, that is act like as a buffer with high input impedance. A2 is the act like as a precision integrator, and A3 is act as a like voltage comparator. Now here we are taking three comparators, A1 and A2 and A3, and on control logic and n stage counter. In dual slope conversion, in the indirect method, where an analog voltage and reference voltage are converted into the time periods by an A2 integrator, then measured by a counter. The speed of conversion is slow but accuracy is high. The converter first integrates the analog input signal VA for a fixed duration of the 2 power n clock periods. Then it integrates the reference voltage VR of the opposite polarity until the integrator output is 0. This is the block diagram, output waveform of the dual slope error. Operation of dual slope error, dual slope ADC. Before start commanding arrives, the switch is connected to the ground and switch 2 is connected to closed. Any offset voltage of op amp A1 A2 comparator appears across the capacitor A2 till the threshold of it is grounded. So offset voltage is multiplied. The capacitor thus A3 provide automatic compensation for the input offset voltage. The arrival of the start command at t is equal to T1, the control logic sends the signal so that switch 2 is opens and switch 1 is connected to VA. The integrator A2 integrates the ended the counter starting from 0. The circuit uses an n-stage ripple counter, and therefore the counter resets to 0 after counting 2 power n pulses, so that the analog voltage VA is integrated of fixed number of 2 power n counts of the clock pulse, after which is count resets to the t is equal to 2 power n into t. After counter resets itself, the switch 1 is connected to the reference voltage since minus VR. Since minus VR is 0 0, that V0 is equal to negative. The output of the comparator is positive and control logic allows the clock pulses to be counted. The V0 becomes 0 when capacitor voltage Vc equal to the VR at time t is equal to T3. Then the control voltage is issues and end of the conversion. Now t is equal to T2 minus T1, that is equal to 2 power n counts divided by clock rate. T3 minus T2 is equal to digital counter divided by clock rate. For an integrator, delta V0 is equal to minus 1 by RC into delta Vt. The voltage V0 will be equal to V1 at the instant T2 and can be written as V1 is equal to minus 1 by RC into V8 into T2 minus T1. The voltage V1 is also given by V1 is equal to minus 1 by RC into minus VR into T2 minus T3. VA into T2 minus T1 is equal to VR into T3 minus T2. So putting the values of T2 minus T1 is equal to power n and T3 minus T2 is equal to n. VA into 2 power n is equal to VA into n. Now VA is equal to VR into n by 2 power n. Specifications of DAC and ADC. Resolution. These are the resolution of a converter is the smallest change in voltage which may be produced at the output of the converter. Example, 8-bit data converter has 2 power 8 minus 1, that is equal to 55 equal intervals. Hence, smallest change in the output voltage is 1 by 255 of the full scale output range. Resolution in volts is equal to VFS divided by 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 1 LSB increment. Linearity. The linearity of an A by D or D by A converter is an important measure of its accuracy and tells us how close the converter output is to its ideal transfer characteristics. This is the transfer characteristics, digital word or analog signal. Here we are taking 00 to 0000 to 111. That like this here 1 by 8 VFS to the 5 by 8 VFS. Accuracy. The maximum deviation between the actual converter output and the ideal converter output. Monotonicity. The monotonic DAG is the one whose analog output increases for an increase in digital input. Settling time. It represents the time it takes for the output to settle within the specified band plus or minus 1 by 2 LSB of its final value. It depends upon the switching time of the logic circuit due to internal plastic capacitance and inductances. Stability. The performance of converter changes with temperature, age and power supply variations. So output is how much it is constant for variations of the temperature. This is the specifications of ADC and DAC.